Hello, fragrance specialists. My name is Chance. Welcome to my guide, and thank you so much for taking a look at another essential oil breakdown. Today, we're going to be going over rosewood, which I gotta say, I think it's actually more popular than rose. Not in terms of being more well known. In that case, rose takes the cake 10 times out of 10. But I do think that it beats out rose simply because of its price point. Rose is usually around the $200 mark. Rosewood is a lot closer to the $60, $70 range. So it's quite, I don't know. I haven't pulled it, obviously, but from my initial impressions and just from kind of Googling around, it definitely seems to lean that way. In any case, before we dive into its profile, always consult your doctor before use. Now let's dive in. Its scent is most commonly described as having a sweet, slightly floral, camphoraceous, and peppery aroma. Uses include bronchial infection, tonsillitis, cough, stress, headache, convalescence, not too sure what that is, acne, eczema, psoriasis, scarring, insect bite, stings, nervousness, depression, anxiety, and stress. My goodness, there we go. Quite a large range, which is kind of what you want to see. Method of extraction is steam distilled. It blends well with bergamot, cinnamon bark, lavender, lemon, orange, peppermint, sandalwood, and of course Ylang. And under notes, you'll see no known safety considerations. With that being said, though, at higher concentrations, essential oils can become irritants. So just make sure your dilution's a-okay, make sure you're following best practices, and you should be alright. Now let's dive right on into its history here. It grows in parts of the tropical rainforest of South America. It is an endangered species that sees exploitation for its essential oil, which is quite sad. If the leaves could be used as a source, it would help conserve the species. It has been suggested that production methods be altered to ensure a sustainable supply. So that is quite sad. However, it does look like they're slowly on the uptick, and I feel like as growing technology gets better and more sophisticated, we will see that the endangered tag is less and less predominant as time progresses. There's been a lot of, this is kind of off topic of course, but there's been a lot of work done where now we don't even need water anymore to grow plants, I guess. A friend was telling me about that the other day, so that's pretty cool. You just use a mineral dense mist is what I think they called it. But really cool stuff, might be worth doing a video on in the future, however, but that's won't be for quite some time. In the meantime though, let's go over a quick recipe involving rosewood. This is Sweet Hair Conditioner. It is 5 drops rosewood, 5 drops cedarwood, 8 drops rosemary, and 8 ounces of unscented hair conditioner. Add oils to the conditioner and shake well before every use. Apply it to your hair after you shampoo and let it sit for 5 minutes before you rinse it out. Just standard conditioner stuff. In any case, really cool. I do like rosewood, and I do see it being relatively common still despite the endangered tag. However, that endangered tag might lend itself to why it is priced the way it is, so who knows. I can only suggest that when you order, you just make sure it's ethically sourced, which Rocky Mountain Oil is. So if you want to order it, I strongly suggest you do so through them, and using the links beneath it will help out the channel as well. Of course, if you have any thoughts, questions, comments, or concerns regarding rosewood, as well as any recipes of your own, please put it down beneath in the comment section. And as always, I hope you have a great day, and may all of your future endeavors smell divine.